Hello, back and feed the beast to Finley, skyblock expert mode. I'm replacing the video that I made because I was getting ready to post it and it really sucks. All the shit ain't here. So I'm just going to go ahead and I want to make the blast furnace and I want to upgrade it real quick. So this will be for two shots. So the first blast we're going to need, let's see. Yeah, that video I made, it just sound like crap. So we really ain't gonna need that many. I think we need 28 blocks. We get 4. And if you're starting out, you probably ain't gonna have the furnace, but I'm just gonna go. It's a lot quicker. And I already had some. I took it down, so I'm just gonna go ahead and, like I said, replace it and also make the advanced one. And the advanced one has, I believe, but we'll get to that. So you got a couple of different recipes for this to make this, and whatever you have on hand. A ball of glue, I'm not really for sure. It comes from sticky glue. It's not really giving me a whole lot. How you get the glue? Like I said, it's not giving me hardly anything. So I'm just gonna go with the rest. There's 2 more recipes. If you don't have the glue, Ender pearl and TNT. I have. In the beginning, I had this because I made the spawner and it was dropping the gunpowder. But I'm going to use this recipe. So it takes 6 hardened clay. That'll give us 4. I need 28. I need 2 more clay. And let's throw it in. Let's heat her up. So to go into, keeps moving around. You know how to get clay. Well, you can either use uh, slag. That looks a little different than what I have. Dirt, and a bucket of water. It's not going to show the recipe. At any rate, if you compress a stack of this, do this real quick. That should be. And you make this hammer, turns it into. Just gonna get this out of the way, just in case you're not playing it yet, but you're getting ready to, and you're picking stuff up, and then you just do it again on the crafting table, and you can stack it up to 64. So, and then you hit it again, you get sand. So forth. And I think the next one, if you do it, you do compressed sand. And if you throw it down and you hit it, you get dust. And then when you throw the next one down, you get the compressed dust, and then you can sieve anything that's compressed. And you get some items out of it. So now to make we're gonna need to compress one block. Well, as many you're gonna need. And you're gonna turn that into dust. Then you're gonna compress it one more time, and then you go. No, you're not gonna compress it. Don't compress it again. Hold on. I'm screwing this video up like I did the first one. Alright. Now you want to throw it down. Then you want to take the dust. It's not too bad. Then you pop it out and bam, you got clay. Alright. Let's go over table. We got our clay chunks. Where my other two clay go? Oh, I need to cook them. So I'm gonna cook them real quick. Oops. Then we go over here, and then we're gonna bring them. Need 8. Nah, anyway, the recipes are changing around. Let's do this. Hit it. I'll just go ahead and put the corners in, and then take the sand, and that'll give us. I believe it's 28. It's solid. So, and I'm gonna move it over a couple feet, about right in here. I may move that one. I'm gonna step it up a little bit. And then we get in, we pour our hammer out, pull down, and now we have that. And all that takes is more than this, but damn it, put that in the bottom, cold coat, and then a piece of iron. And you'll get your steel. Let me chew on this. For the advanced build, it's steel plate, and it's going to be. I think it should still be 28. So we'll let that cook up. Let's go ahead and get some steel. We need 28. Then we're going to put it in the metal former. If you don't have a metal former, get some let's see, some treated sticks. I think it's 2 of them, and then no, you can't. That's right. You can't. Well, I'll show you anyways. Come around, you can make your hammer, but it won't let you forge the steel. That's normally the pattern to make plates. It's right there, but it won't let you make the plates. So you do need, before you get this far, you are going to need the metal former. So we'll just knock this down. And this thing here, you cannot hook pipes up to. They won't communicate together. You can put it beside it and try to put the transfer node on it, and it just won't go in it. It'll only go in, I believe, when you do the reinforced blast brick. So And you get slag. I'm not sure what you do with that yet, but there's maybe one more build higher. I don't think it is. We'll find out. I know at dead top we need to put a hopper on it. All you have to do is make the book. And let's see. Where is that book? Book is, paper, string, and the blank pattern. Or if you got paper, you make that. There's other ways to make them, but you don't have that. And this side, if you have sugar cane, if you don't have that, the wood clippings or sawdust. And the way you get that is if you got your compressed stone hammer, you just hit that, and that's where you get your wood clippings at. And you just take that, put a bucket of water in between them, and you get your paper. It's a little long, but and what was the other part? There was one part, and a lever. Just a piece of cobble and a stick. All right, so we got 13, so we can make some of this. So we're just going to add them together to the side. And we're going to make the hopper. We need a wooden chest. I don't know if I have any. We'll request 8 of them. Put that down there, and we'll have a chest. And then we need some iron. Need 5. Yeah, normally you wouldn't have this. Like I said, this video is in advance or later on because I thought my video sucked, so I'm just going to replace it with this one and I'm going to post it. So remember, if you ain't this far, just do the first part. It's real simple, real easy. As long as you have some ender pearls or you have some TNT. If you don't have that, then you're going to be in some trouble. Because you ain't going to be able to make it. Make a little mouse spawner like I made there. I made a video on that. It uses Tinker Construct Smeltery. All you need is a piece of iron in it to start it off with. Right now it's got blood. It's got, and that comes from automatically. You get this from when they kill the Enderman. And I just set up a couple tables, and if I take some blood away, it'll make some new blood. Or you just go up and you click this, and it'll go ahead and start making ender pearls. So that's pretty cool. And you can eat the shit, so I got plenty of food, so I ain't starving. If you played Skyblock before, you know how it is. I used to jump off just to get life back. Put all my items back because it was this. Yeah, it's a health generation when you see me jump. Oh, we need 2 more. That's all I need was 28. I don't think I need that many. Yeah, 28. I thought I'd put some down. I said I'm going to move it over a couple. And then you put the hopper in the center. And we should be able to go down and pull down on it, and there we go. That is sweet looking. It still takes cold coat. And we need some iron. We'll get a stack of it. Let's see. And put that in. And all of this setup you can make makes it even faster. You need power. You can put on these blast furnace preheaters, and it'll actually make it a little faster. So if you're not that far up into this, then when I get some power over this way, I will definitely see. It's iron plates. Copper treated sticks. Let's see, where do they go? Depends on how you set this thing up. I think they go right here on the sides. And then, let me get a chest. Ain't nothing in that. I don't know if it'll go in the chest. I'm just going to put it back here. We'll go ahead and we'll do this for we'll go ahead and make these real quick. So that is iron plates. Let me get a stack of iron. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'll go ahead and use that. That's a little faster than that. I don't have everything set up yet. So we need to make this. I don't have any iron. Let me get another stack of iron. Make this. Grab one stack of that out. Then we're going to make, we need iron, copper, redstone. Let's get some redstone. We'll get some copper. Let me get rid of some of this stuff. Get rid of that. It's not going to go anywhere because I don't have it set up. Only certain things, if you have it in a chest, it'll take. Like the glowstone. Okay. To make this guy, we need to make this. And it's treated sticks and copper. Just gonna grab treated sticks out. And you wrap it in, was it wrapped in copper? It might be, ah, damn it. 6. That's gonna make them all. I'll use them for running the wires. We need 2 of these. And now we need this right here. So you get 4 at a time. If that's right, that might be. Yeah, it should be right. So now we should be able to put together. Guess not. If I have something wrong. And undoubtedly I have something wrong. Oh, I didn't finish that up. Okay, let's look at. Look at that. That is some copper, iron, some more copper. We got iron. I knew I was missing a step. Two of these. And now we should be able to put it together in two of these. Let me go over and get a bit. These things have little fans on them. So they go like this. One here. And if you only have enough to make one, I think one will help out. Now we need to get it some power. And this ain't gonna be my what I'm gonna use for the power for it all the time. I'm just gonna go ahead and that's low voltage. We don't need that. We need this. So I'm gonna go ahead and steal some juice from one of these, and hopefully I'll be able to bring it over to there. If we put this right here and then hit it, and then this might be too far. And that it's right on the edge. Now I believe that's going to be a little too far, but we can try it. I need something to jump up on. Good. Right here. There's other ways you can power it. Oh, I need two more than. Damn it! I already built that stand. We need two more of these. Maybe three, but I was going to take all three. I might have to make some more. Put that here. Put one of these dust here. There you go, and I got my stand. Then we're going to go here, here, and let's see if we can connect. One here. It's like, I'm not for sure how many blocks it is. It's going to be like 17. See, it's too far away. So we need to, you know, for now, cows, you got a little bit of, just for now. And this one here probably ain't gonna get because it's destructive. And we'll come here, connect to here. And then we'll connect from here to here. And now it should be running. Let's see what's going on with it. Fans are moving. It's not getting the. It's close to where it needs to be. Let's get this out of the way. Let's take a look at it. So it is definitely running a lot faster. So if you want to make your coke oven or your furnace or your still furnace, blast furnace faster, you want to put some fans on it. Like I said, that won't be a permanent source. I'll probably put something back here, maybe some thermos, and hook it up. But that way I can just shoot straight up off the corners. It'd be something new to make. And there is an approved coke oven, but that thing is huge. And I don't know if I have enough material to make that. That'll be later on. So that's the blast furnace and the improved blast furnace. So please subscribe. It helps me want to make more videos. And thanks for watching.